Hey there, and welcome back to Homespot. Does your garden need a fresh look, but your budget is tight? Today, we are taking ordinary junk and turning it into extraordinary masterpieces. I am sharing 17 incredible trash-to-treasure DIY garden art projects that you can easily tackle this weekend. Let's dive in and start creating something beautiful together. Give your old cutlery a second life by crafting a beautiful wind chime. Simply drill small holes in the handles of mismatched spoons and forks, then hang them from a vintage whisk. Every gentle breeze will create a sweet metallic melody, adding a touch of whimsical nostalgia and rustic elegance to your favorite outdoor garden space for you to enjoy today. Transform those forgotten bicycle rims into a stunning industrial trellis for your climbing plants. By connecting two wheels with sturdy garden twine, you create a perfect circular frame for peas or jasmine to grow. This simple weekend project adds a unique architectural element to your garden beds while promoting healthy vertical growth for your favorite leafy green vines in your backyard garden. Don't throw away your empty soup cans because they make incredible outdoor lanterns. Clean them out, punch intricate decorative patterns using a hammer and nail, and give them a fresh coat of colorful paint. These charming DIY lights create a warm and cozy atmosphere on your garden walls, casting beautiful shadows that dance throughout your peaceful backyard every single night of the week. Reuse your old metal colanders to create unique hanging baskets with built-in drainage. Simply attach sturdy chains and fill them with colorful trailing petunias or lush ivy. These rustic kitchen finds add a touch of farmhouse charm to your porch or tree branches, making them a perfect conversation piece that blends domestic history with vibrant, blooming natural beauty in your garden space. Repurpose a heavy ornate picture frame into a living work of art for your garden fence. By attaching chicken wire and planting various small succulents, you create a textured vertical garden. This project brings a touch of interior elegance outdoors, turning a simple wooden frame into a lush botanical display that continues to grow and evolve with every passing season in your garden. Give your garden a rustic farmhouse feel using old galvanized metal buckets as charming plant containers. Simply drill drainage holes in the bottom and fill them with bright marigolds or aromatic herbs. These durable upcycle buckets look fantastic grouped together on a wooden deck, providing a timeless and budget-friendly way to add character and height to your outdoor plant collection right now. Create a productive vertical garden using recycled plastic soda bottles to save space and reduce waste. Cut the sides out, fill them with rich soil, and string them together against a sunny wall. This ingenious DIY project is perfect for growing strawberries or small herbs in urban settings, proving that you can grow plenty of food using simple repurposed household materials this season. Use empty glass wine bottles to create a shimmering and colorful border for your garden beds. By burying them neck down in the soil, you form a clean and artistic edge that catches the light. This sustainable landscaping idea is a fantastic way to recycle glass while adding a touch of luminous beauty and structure to your backyard garden pathways for everyone to see. Save old dresser drawers from the landfill by turning them into tiered flower boxes for your porch. A fresh coat of outdoor paint and some colorful geraniums will breathe new life into these furniture pieces. They provide a unique and nostalgic way to display your favorite blooms, adding a cozy and personal touch to your outdoor living space with very little extra effort. Don't throw away those old rain boots or leather work boots just yet. Drill small drainage holes in the soles and plant them with bright flowers to create a playful garden display. These whimsical planters look great tucked among wildflowers or along a stone path, showing off your creative spirit while giving your worn-out footwear a charming and colorful second purpose today. Turn your old scratch CDs into a functional and modern kinetic sculpture for your fruit trees. String them together and hang them from the branches to create flashes of light that naturally deter birds. This simple upcycling project protects your harvest while adding a shimmering, artistic element that spins gracefully in the wind, making your garden feel alive and truly unique right now. Create a cozy home for your garden birds using a vintage ceramic teapot. Secure it to a wooden post or tree trunk to provide a sheltered nesting spot. The spout serves as natural drainage while the handle acts as a perfect perch. This whimsical project adds a touch of storybook charm to your yard, attracting wildlife and adding a unique artistic focal point easily. Use an old wooden stepladder as a multi-tiered stand to display your favorite potted herbs and flowers. The different heights allow you to organize your collection beautifully while saving valuable ground space. This rustic project is incredibly easy to set up and provides a sturdy, architectural feature that brings a sense of history and character to any garden corner or patio. Give an old window shutter a new purpose by turning it into a vertical succulent planter. The angled slats are perfectly sized for tucking in small plants and moss, creating a lush green tapestry. This architectural piece looks beautiful leaning against a garden wall, offering a sophisticated and space-saving way to display a variety of textures and colors in your outdoor space. Don't toss those cracked terracotta pots because they are perfect for creating a miniature fairy garden. Use the broken shards to build tiny stairs and levels for a magical landscape. Add small plants, pebbles, and miniature accessories to tell a story within the pot. This creative project turns garden waste into an intricate and enchanting work of art for your patio table. Old tires can be transformed into impressive garden sculptures with just a bit of cutting and paint. Shape them into graceful swans or stack them to create large-scale, colorful planters for your yard. This upcycling project is a fantastic way to keep tires out of landfills while adding bold, artistic focal points that bring a sense of fun and creativity to your landscape. Mount an old frame mirror on your garden fence to create a clever window to nowhere that adds depth to your yard. The reflection makes small spaces feel much larger and brings extra light into shaded corners. This artistic project uses an old interior item to create a magical illusion, making your garden feel like a vast and mysterious secret oasis for you to enjoy. It is truly amazing how a bit of imagination can turn simple trash into a stunning garden treasure. I hope these creative projects inspired you to start upcycling your old items this weekend. If you found these ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Homespot for more DIY inspiration, and leave a comment below sharing which project you liked best.